I think the principal has joined. Yeah.
Yes, good afternoon. So sorry for keeping you all waiting. Very sorry.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Sorry for keeping you all
Not
waiting.
at all. Not at
Good
all. Not
afternoon
at
and
all.
thank you.
Thank you for waiting for
Most
me. So
welcome.
sweet of you all.
Most welcome.
Meeting
Judges,
just
please,
got
you
over.
can unmute your cameras, please.
Yeah.
Archie, you can begin. I think.
Everybody's looking so
Archie.
nice. The few people I can see. Wow. It's a lovely day. Nice.
Yeah. Chandrika, please stop this.
Ha.
Oh my God, look at the girls. Wow.
Judges, please unmute your cameras.
Yes, I'm here. Have
Yeah,
unmuted.
Garima. Hello,
Yeah,
Garima.
I'm right here.
Garima.
Namaskar. Hello. Hi.
Namaskar.
Athra, let's begin.
Good afternoon, respected Principal, Professor Swati Pal, esteemed judges, teachers, members, and participants. On behalf of NUPUR, the Indian Classical Dance Society of Janki Devi Memorial College, I, Athira Rajan, along with
Archie Saxena.
welcome you all to Aradhi 2021, the Indian Classical Dance Competition, Solo. We are thankful to each and everyone who participated in the competition and gave their very best. Last year was quite a challenge for each one of us due to the pandemic. The whole world stopped for a few months. But now we are getting back on track and are stronger than ever. We decided to have this year's competition online by asking the participants to assume their homes as the stage and their cameras as the audience.
Today, on this day, we are delighted to have the gracious presence of our beloved principal, Professor Swati Pal. She is also a member of the English department of our college. Professor Swati Pal has been a Charles Wallace Scholar as well as the first Asian.
Archie, can I interrupt you for a minute?
Sorry, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You have said I'm your beloved principal. That is all the introduction I need, my dear. You have said that I'm a member of the English department. That is enough. I think people are very bored with listening to Charles Wallace call. I am bored with it. This introduction is the most meaningful introduction that I have had. I love the fact that I'm the beloved principal. I hope it's true. And so thank you so much. Enough introduction, darling. Yeah.
So, then, ma'am, may I have the honor to request you to please address the gathering?
It is my honor to address this gathering. I'm really delighted to be here, and I'm so utterly grateful that the three teacher conveners, Ms. Murlidhar and Ms. Charukala and Mr. Ankandhar waited up for me and allowed me this forum to speak to you all because, I think they are aware that I have a very keen interest in extracurricular activities and in particular in dance. In dance because inside me there is a dancer, but that dancer, when she tries to dance, looks like a I don't even want to use a word for it. She's unable to do so. So in my next avatar, whenever I'm reborn, I hope that God puts the dancing gene in me. But I simply love dance. And classical dance in particular, I find absolutely mesmerizing. And all of you who are classical dancers, including one of your mentors, Ankan, I cannot tell you how much of envy there is in me. I envy you. I envy you, your ability to use your body so creatively, so beautifully, so artistically. So really, God has given you this powerful gift, and the fact that you use it, not only is it a treat for us, but I'm sure I see a lot of joy on the faces of people who are artists, especially of dancers. And I have seen that joy on the faces of the children in Nupur. So I think that this gift, the ability to dance and classical dance, it has given you so much of life, so much of joy, so much of light in your life. So please treasure it, please cherish it, and do whatever you can to get more and more people to join in and to understand the beauty of this form of the classical dance form. I also want to congratulate you all. The fact that, you know, you all are not only absolute, how do I put it, you're remarkable in your talent. I'm looking at the background to Athira and I can see a whole cupboard full of awards. I'm so jealous of you, Athira. I don't even have half a cupboard full of awards like this, you know. And I had a good many as a youngster because I also participated in extracurriculars, but there are not so many. There are not so many. I'm very jealous of you. So I'm sure you know that not only have you worked, not only do you hone your own talent, but the fact that you're holding an inter-college festival on a virtual mode is very, very commendable. And from what Nimi and Charu and Ankan have told me, that the response has been fantastic. And we're really, really very, very pleased about it. I'm particularly delighted. And for that, the entire congratulations goes to the Nupur team. So heartiest congratulations to all of you. A big round of applause to all those who participated. Of course, those who win, fantastic. But I think everybody has taken a lot of effort to participate, and for that, a big thumbs up from my side. So I don't have anything more to say except to wish Nupur continued success, and to my own team of students here in JDMC, more continued involvement with the college, more adherence to what your teachers say, because they know best what will be good for you. So you must commit yourself to college activities. That is my personal request to all of you. I expect that from you. You are very precious to us. We are very proud of you. We want you to showcase your talent first to us in college. So please do that. Good luck and thank you, everybody. I'm going to now listen to everybody else. Bahut bol liya.
Thank you, Dr. Paul. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for always being so supportive of our endeavors. Now, I would like our teacher convener, Mrs. Nirmala Muralidhar ma'am, to please welcome our judges.
A very warm welcome to everyone here. I'll begin by thanking Professor Pal for the kind words of encouragement and support, which are always there for Nupur, and I'm sure it will continue in the future too. And Nupur, the Inter-College Classical Dance Society of JDMC, is holding its annual fest dance competition, inter-college competition. And yes, we've got an overwhelming response, considering it's a classical dance competition, because there aren't too many people who are actually trained in classical dance. It's my pleasure to welcome Priya Srinivasan and Dr. Garima Arya as our judges, as our young judges for today. Firstly, I'd like to thank them for accepting the invitation instantly without making any, kind of fuss saying we are busy or we can't make it. The instant reaction was, oh, we would love to do it, for college students. And you are young, very, very accomplished dancers. And I'm sure you'll prove to be an inspiration for our young Nupur students. So a very, very warm welcome to all of you, and hearty congratulations to all the participants. And we look forward to the event to see who the winners are. Most welcome. Happy Nupur Aradhi competition today. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Dr. Garima Arya ji is a talented Kathak performer who has been trained under illustrious gurus like Padma Vibhushan Pandit Birju Maharaj ji, Sushri Saswati Deen ji, and Pandit Deepak Maharaj ji. She has received her doctorate in music from the University of Delhi. She is a graded artist with the Doordarshan and regularly performs for the ICCR and the Spikniki. She has performed at prestigious occasions in the country like the Vasant Utsav, the Chakradhar Mahotsav, the Nritya Sanrachana Festival, and the Kathak Mahotsav. Dr. Arya has traveled and performed extensively in Egypt, Germany, Belgium, Taiwan, and China. Her talent and contributions have been recognized with the Nritya Shiromani Award, the Tarana Samman Award, the Nari Samman Award, and the Kalai Kadum Award. I would like to request Dr. Garima Arya ji to address the participants.
Thank you so much. सबसे पहले आप सभी को मैं बहुत बहुत congratulate करना चाहती हूँ for organizing this event virtually. Generally ऐसी situation जब होती है तो काम रुक जाता है. But in our country, I think I would like to congratulate the Nupur Society of your college to actually accept this challenge और ऐसी situation में भी इतना अच्छा competition organize किया, you know, the show must go on. That's the main thing actually. और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, in fact हमें प्रिया और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा देख के that so many artists, you know, so many students participated in this festival, in this competition, and they were so good. You know, we had fun watching them. And classical art form आज की जनरेशन को करते हुए देखना, जो कि आने वाली पीढ़ी है और इस यू नो इंडियन कल्चर को, इंडियन आर्ट फॉर्म्स को आगे लेकर जाएंगे, तो ये देख के बहुत अच्छा लगता है और हम भी उसी रास्ते पर हैं. एंड जितने भी पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं जो अभी जिन्होंने पार्टिसिपेट किया और जो अभी ज्वाइन किए हैं हमारे साथ इस मीटिंग में, आई वुड लाइक टू कंग्रेचुलेट देम फॉर you know, for their dedication toward their art forms. और आप ऐसे ही मेहनत करते रहें और अच्छे अच्छे कॉम्पिटिशन्स में पार्टिसिपेट ऐसे ही करते रहें, बिकॉज अभी जर्नी आपकी स्टार्ट हुई है और आगे बहुत कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग है जो आपके लिए है. सो जैसा कि ये कॉम्पिटिशन है, फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड तो आना होता है किसी ना किसी को, बट आप सबने पार्टिसिपेट किया. It itself is a big thing for, I think, each and every student. And we loved everyone. So advance में मैं congratulate करूंगी जो भी winners हैं, but at the same time जितने भी लोगों ने participate किया, they were very good. And मेरी तरफ से दिल से सबको बहुत बहुत बधाई participate करने के लिए. And I would like to thank your principal ma'am for you know, उनकी बातों से मुझे लगा कि वो कितना ज्यादा कनेक्टेड हैं इन चीजों से, कितना ज्यादा वो फील करती हैं इंडियन क्लासिकल आर्ट फॉर्म्स के लिए, इंडियन क्लासिकल के लिए, कल्चर के लिए. सो थैंक यू सो मच स्वाति जी, आपने इतने अच्छे से प्यार से एक फैमिली बनाई है अपने कॉलेज को, जहाँ सभी बच्चे मिलजुल कर इतना अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, इतना अच्छा ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे हैं चीजों को. सो मेनी मेनी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू यू. एंड दैट्स इट. आई थिंक प्रिया, now you can speak about it.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for these inspiring words and kind words.
Thank you.
Miss Priya Srinivasan is a renowned Bharatanatyam exponent. She has received her post-graduation in dance from Kalakshetra, Chennai. She is an empaneled artist of the ICCR. She has performed at several prestigious occasions, both in India as well as abroad. Ms. Srinivasan was a recipient of the Ministry of Culture Scholarship for Advanced Training in Dance. She has also been on the Committee for Development Curriculum for Performing Arts for the CBSE. She taught classical dance at Sri Ram Bharatiya Kala Kendra from 2011 to 2017. Ms. Srinivasan is the founder director of the Trikaya Dance Company. It would mean a lot to the students and participants if you could please address them, ma'am.
Namaste. Thank you so much for inviting us, both Garima and me. And first of all, I would really like to thank Principal Ma'am. As Garima said, it's if the base isn't strong, nothing goes further. And I think because of you and because of your dedication towards, aapne jaise bola that you can't dance, but for dancers, what is the most important is we need you know, a pillar of support always. Just that itself helps in growth of art and culture. And I think that is where the beginning is. So thank you for actually supporting these young artists. And I have been associated, thanks to Nirmala ma'am, because so mera aana jana hota rehta hai, and I'm really grateful for that actually, because I see so many young dancers, being one myself, but so many, the younger generation, they have taken dance to another level. Both Garima and I were very surprised, and we were so happy actually to see ki, you know, we really had to choose, because the talent is so much. It's just that little support they need to grow. And I think Nupur Society, Principal Ma'am, the conveners of your college, I mean, it is so important for people like you to actually support them, and you know, whether career or not, but just to learn the arts, just to learn from the beginning in their life, to have something like this is so important for the growth of a child in general. So congratulations on that. And as Garima said, the time this year has been very difficult for everybody in their own ways, but to be able to do it virtually like this is something really amazing. And again, I mean, we have as dancers also been part of some virtual programs, so I know how much work goes into organizing it. So, and everybody has put in obviously a lot of effort for it to happen. We are just a part of it, a small part of it, that we are able to, you know, contribute and just help in whichever small way we can. But I know all of you have really put in a lot of effort, and it's so beautiful. Every dancer who has participated, just the whole idea of how they have thought of the decor, how they have thought of the aesthetics, getting ready, it's a big thing for every child to do that. And I mean, I would like to congratulate all of them on that itself, and the support that they have got from their teachers, from their family, just, you know. And they also look forward to the Nupur Society Dance Festival. That itself is a very big thing. You have made that name, and I do myself know a lot of dancers who have come I mean, who have graduated from your college and are doing so well for themselves. They are really good dancers now, and they're continuing that passion. So I would really like to congratulate all of you, and thank you so much for inviting me, and for making me part of this journey. Thank you, Nirmala ma'am. Thank you, Principal ma'am, for this opportunity. And both Garima and I are very happy to be here today. And yeah, thank you so much. We really look forward to. And again, the results don't matter. Everybody was amazing, as ma'am said. And for those who have won, congratulations. But everybody was, keep continuing what you're doing, and keep continuing learning, keep continuing presenting your work. It's very important at this point in life. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Priya and Garima, from all three of us, Charu, Ankan, and me. And we look forward to many more workshops with you people. And thank you for always coming and, you know, teaching our girls little nuances about dance. And it's such a pleasure to have young, accomplished dancers like you amidst us. So we look forward to a much longer association with both of you. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I would like to mention the criteria for the judgment: proper costume, choreography, technique, expression, space utilization, and overall presentation. The decisions of the judges will remain final and binding. Now, we will start the announcement of the results.
So we'll start with special mention. The special mention is awarded to Srijit CJ from Hansraj College. Congratulations, Srijit.
Sorry, I would like to intervene in this, because I had wanted to give, both Garima and I thought a lot actually. And he's the only male dancer, first of all. So first, I would like to really congratulate him on that, because one, male dancers hardly take up dance. And even if they do, it's a very, for everybody, it's a challenge. But he has really, you can see that he's worked towards his art. He is dedicated. And Kathakali, again, is a very rare form that we see in at least the north part of this thing.
Exactly.
So very, very nice to see him, and that's why we wanted to give him a special mention. So please, yeah.
So let's watch his performance right now.
That was wow. I have no words. It was really wow, amazing. Fantastic.
Absolutely, he was amazing. And Kathakali, I was wondering कि Kathakali होगा या नहीं इस पूरे competition में. You know, I was talking to Priya about it, and she was like, "Let's see. There are so many participants. Let's hope for the best."
Beautiful.
And both of us were very happy to see this performance. Kathakali को आगे फ्यूचर के लिए भी आगे स्टार्ट फॉर्म को लेके जाना यही जनरेशन के ऊपर है कि वो किस तरह से इसको लेते हैं, सीखते हैं कितने डेडिकेशन के साथ, एंड वो डेडिकेशन आपने देखी होगी.
Yes, yes. We had a very good Kathakali dancer. What's her name? Nimi, what was her name?
Aparna?
No.
Aparna Noel?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Wow. Lovely.
And Aparna, the university asked for her to perform. Remember, Nimi?
Yes, for NAC.
So,
I remember
yes,
her.
for NAC. She was so good. She was so good. So Kathakali, it really should be, I think it's becoming extinct very soon. We need to
One
really
of our
preserve
Indian
it.
classical dance forms, and I think Indian culture इतना बड़ा है, इतना vast है, तो if you know, actually सीखे हम dedication के साथ और उसको लेके चले आगे, so वो automatically हमारे इंडिया को ही आगे लेके जाएगा इन सारी चीजों के साथ. So I think many congratulations to him, and keep it up. We were very happy to see your performance.
Many congratulations to Srijit. Let's move on to the third prize. Our third prize position goes to Nandini Khattar from Gargi College. Congratulations, Nandini. Let's have a look at her performance. I would request everyone to please turn off their video so that the video works smoothly. Thank you.
Such a mesmerizing performance, Nandini.
I would like to say something about Nandini's performance. There were many Kathak artists, many performances we've seen, but what's the speciality in her dance? I saw all the aspects. Actually, there was abhinay, and then technical part was also there. और अभिनय में जो एक ठहराव, जो एक एक ठहराव की एक्चुअली जरूरत होती है, बाकी वरना काफी बहुत जल्दी जल्दी सब कर रहे थे, एक्सप्रेशंस को होल्ड करना, वो सब चीजें इस लड़की में हमें मिली। और टेक्निकल जो कथक का जो पार्ट है वो भी बहुत क्लियर था। सो हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा इसका डांस। और कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस नंदिनी, कीप इट अप, और ऐसे ही सीखते रहो बेटा, मेहनत करो। सो गॉड ब्लेस यू एंड कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस।
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Really means a lot. Thank you.
Now we move on to the second position. The second prize is awarded to Pratiti Das from Daulat Ram College. Let's watch her performance.
That was such a nice performance, Pratiti.
Yeah, and many congratulations. The beauty of her performance was जैसे कि starting में आपने बताया कि there are few aspects for this competitions जो rules हैं, expressions or the music you're choosing, the how you're using the space. I mean सबने देखा होगा beautifully she used that area. अपने घर के बाहर आंगन का जो एरिया होता है वहां बहुत ही सुंदर अच्छे से she decorated the whole place. And and her dance, her expressions, we were very happy to see her performance. And all the very best, Peter. I think ये कुछ क्वालिटीज होती हैं एक आर्टिस्ट की जो एस्थेटिकली उस डांस को और ब्यूटीफुल बनाती है. सो आई थिंक यू हैव दैट क्वालिटी एंड keep up the good work, and all the very best for your future.
Thank you, ma'am. Now let's move on to the first category, first position of our event. And the first position goes to Gayatri Ravi Kumar from Maitri College. Let's have a look at her performance.
That
Wow.
was really hypnotizing. You know,
Yeah.
I couldn't speak in for the other performers because a phone call came and I had muted myself and I was listening to the, I was answering on the phone and I was also looking at the performances, but they've just blown me away. I don't know what a tough time you judges must have had. I don't know what a tough time it must have been. My God,
No,
fabulous talent.
I would like to really congratulate Gayatri. The thing that I always say is that, you know, you're initiated into the arts early, and then when you reach a certain age, then I know there's academic pressure, and there is, you know, there is a lot of other things that are involved in life. But with all three, and of course, particularly Gayatri, I thought that there was a continuation and a dedication that was, you could see in her dancing. And I think, of course, for all the other participants as well, there is, keep that going. Don't stop your dance just because you are busy with other things. Continue in whatever way you can, and that it really shows in your dancing. You can see that sadhana that they've done as from a young age till now, and for all three that was visible. And for Gayatri's, in her case, there was music and her costume and everything. It was so beautifully done, and all three performances were very, very nice. And we were and we didn't have a tough time. We actually really loved watching every performer. And of course, to select is a different thing, but it was really, really nice to watch and see that there is so much talent, and there's so much future. So yeah, that's all we can say. And I hope they continue, and I hope they really make a mark for themselves in this field.
Thank you so much,
Absolutely,
Priyanka.
Priya.
Thank you so much.
I just want to add to what you
Many,
said,
many
Priya.
congratulations.
Priya, I want to add to what you said. You said a very important thing about sadhana. You know, I've always said, you know, जो छुरी होती है, जितना उसको आप, you know, you'll sharpen it, you know, against the right thing, it'll become sharper and sharper and better. So it's not that an old churi, you know, it loses its edge, but you've got to sharpen it. So sadhana is like that. The more you practice, the more you do riyaz, the more you practice every day, you know, it'll just become sharper and sharper and sharper, unless it is, you know, because perfection is always there, but you can never achieve perfection. The best of artists, the best dancers, they are never, they may be 99.99% satisfied, but that 0.01% is there, because that's how they are so fantastic. They are so perfect. You know, we have a teacher in the music department, Dr. Gurinder Harnam Singh, and she was telling me about how an ex-VC of Delhi University, Deepak Pentalji, he had told her to do this riyaz of a particular, I'm forgetting what exactly it was. So first he told her, do it 10 times, then 12 times, then 100 times. It went to a point where she was doing it 10,000 times and then 1 lakh times.
Oh my God.
Yes, you know, I think it was, what was it? It was some
Alankar, Alankar, I think.
नहीं, अलंकार नहीं था, कुछ और था जो कि उन्होंने कहा कि ये आप कि जो पहली 10 बार उन्होंने किया, बहुत बढ़िया, अच्छा अब आप इसको 25 बार कीजिए, अब आप इसको 100 बार कीजिए. And Gurinder says that every time she would raise the benchmark for herself, she used to feel very good. And she used to keep thinking ki bas, now, you know, now I won't be asked to raise the benchmark till a day. And it was like a jump. It was like a jump. And she said a day came when he said, do it 1 lakh times. Can you believe it? So that is the kind of sadhana, I think, that, you know, we are being, that, you know, Priya, you very rightly pointed out.
As you said that, and ma'am, as you said that 0.9% is missing, that is very important for an artist to know that वो रहना चाहिए.
हमेशा.
अगर वो complete हो जाएगा, तो वो कला, वो जो dedication है, वो वहीं रुक जाएगा. You know, वो creativity वहाँ खत्म हो जाएगी.
फिर आप शिव भगवान बन जाओगे.
Correct. So that is the most important thing. And वो जो towards your guru, क्योंकि गुरु के बिना आर्ट अधूरी है, आप complete हो ही नहीं सकते. तो you know, वो एक dedication जब आप रखेंगे अपने गुरु के लिए और अपनी art form के लिए, so definitely वो आपको आगे ही लेके जाएगा. And it's a kind of meditation, I would say. एक लेवल आता है जब आप टेक्निकल और सारी चीजें सीख लेते हैं, लेकिन उसके बाद जब आपका सोल कनेक्ट होता है, देन यू फील दैट मेडिटेशन पार्ट इन योर ओन आर्ट, एंड तब आपका असली कनेक्शन बनता है अपने डांस के साथ, अपनी आर्ट फॉर्म के साथ. सो आई थिंक धीरे धीरे इट्स अ लॉन्ग जर्नी, छोटी सी जर्नी नहीं है, बहुत बड़ी जर्नी है. उसे जितना एंजॉय करेंगे आई थिंक उतना मजा आता है इस जर्नी में. सो मेनी कांग्रेचुलेशंस टू ऑल द पार्टिसिपेंट्स वंस अगेन एंड कीप इट अप.
I would also like to congratulate all the winners, and I would request them to switch on their cameras and turn their mics on and say a few words if you can. So let's start with Srijit. Srijit, are you here?
Please spotlight the video of whoever speaks.
Yes, ma'am. Adhara, Shrijit is not here. Let's move on to the next one. Nandini, could you please speak something?
Hello, a very good afternoon to everyone over here. Good afternoon, the judges and the principal ma'am. It's a really wonderful opportunity to be here, being in the first year, first exposure in the DU University College competition. It's really a wonderful opportunity, and I've been so glad to be able to get a position over here. I've been trained under Guru Nitya Alaknanda ji for the past 10 years, and it's really her blessings and her teaching that has made me come up till here. And Garima ma'am, it really meant a lot to me, whatever the words you said for me, and I hope I can do better justice to it. It's just the beginning, and I really hope I can achieve better heights. Thank you.
God bless you, Nandini.
With your
Thank
guru,
you, ma'am.
keep learning. That's the thing.
Yes, ma'am.
Keep at it.
Yeah.
It will happen.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Many congratulations, Nandini. Pratiti, are you here? Could you please turn on your video and say something? Pratiti is not in the meeting. Gayatri?
Good afternoon to Principal Madam and all the teachers, and pranams to Priyaka and Garima ma'am, and huge love to the entire Nupur team, because Nupur has been very special to me right from my first year. Now I'm in my third year, because the Nupur seniors, everyone have been a source of positivity and energy whenever we go for other fests. Like, they never behave like, oh God, she's a competitor, we shouldn't talk. It's not like that. All the people in JDMC in Nupur, they are so friendly, and I just love the entire Nupur team. And as a student who has traveled from Tamil Nadu to Delhi for her undergraduation, I struggled a lot in my first year. At that time, my college and my college society in Rityakriti has been a source of support for me. I would like to thank Rityakriti also here, and my guru, Srimati Suptiya Ravikumar, who is also my mother. So in my childhood days, it was really difficult for me, basically, to grow up in a home where your mother is a dance teacher. At that time, I used to hate a lit. That process was difficult for me, because in my dance class also I had to see my mom's face. That was really difficult. So after coming to college, at that time only I realized that the value of time which I spent with my guru. So see, in my childhood days, I never used to come to dance class. I used to cry. But right now, I'm in my dance class half an hour ago, just before my dance class starts. So I just love that transformation which I got right now, and I love to strive harder to get more professional. And I thank the judges, Priyaka and Garima ma'am. And Priyaka, your words was really, really so. I'm very humbled. I'm very humbled to have got this position. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you.
Congratulations, Gayatri. You deserve it.
Gayatri, it's such a pleasure to
I
see.
know.
As you speak, your eyes dance, your lips dance, your whole face dances. So, as I was saying, I think artists have that quality about them which is so radiant. And dancers in particular, there's something that glows about you all. You know, I wish I could store it in a bottle and use it. Wonderful, wonderful.
Congratulations, Gayatri.
Thank
Lovely
you so much,
hearing
ma'am.
you speak, you know. Lovely. Thank you.
And you know,
Hello,
Thank you.
everyone.
Thank you so
you
much.
said all the right things about Nupur. You have, now you must come and meet me and I can give you a special hug for saying all these lovely things about my beloved students and teachers. So thank you so
That
much.
would be my pleasure, ma'am. Thank
But
you so
ma'am,
much.
that's a reality. Wherever I've seen a lot of, I mean, fest. Of course, we go and we judge and all of that. But there's something about the girls from Nupur that there's one that they're always, you know, it's very positive. You say, you know, gang of girls. That's what they are. This positive thing. They all hang out together. They're always, you know, there's a positive vibe that they give. Number one, and number two, it's there's no sense of, as Gayatri said, she's from a different college. I mean, all of that I don't know, but she's correct. There is that they, you know, they support each other, and that is what, if artists don't do that, there is going to be no future, because we need that. We need a support, whatever forms we do, whether it's Bharatanatyam, I mean, like Garima and me, we're the same age, we have that, but we are from completely different. You know, we don't have the same forms, but still there is that connect, and that is so important, because it helps you grow in different ways. So I think if they learn that young, it's very good, because your girls do have that positivity, and I've always seen that in them, and of course it reflects in their dance. And yeah, so
But you know, a lot has to do with their 3 mentors.
I'm sure, of course, and the parent support and the support of you, of course. But it's overall, it's each and every person who is involved in their lives, and yeah, so it's really nice.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And I would like to add, we love you too, Gayatri. And Pratiti has joined us. Pratiti, would you like to speak something?
Yeah, I'm sorry, I just got disconnected earlier. So, very good afternoon to the judges, principal ma'am, and all the members of Nupur. I'm really very, very grateful for the position, and it's a great feeling that, you know, in the first year and the first competition I went to, I actually wasn't expecting. I thought I could do a lot more better than what I did. Actually, I shot it on the last day of the deadline, so I just sent whatever I shot. So I just thought, okay, I could do a lot better. But yeah, thank you very, very much, everyone, for organizing this. Yes, it was a challenge to. I understand it was such a challenge to do it in this period, you know, asking for videos and everything. But yeah, it was a great feeling. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Pratiti. I would like to congratulate everyone, all the winners, and all the participants as well. And thank you for making Arathi a cultural extravagant. On behalf of Nupur, I would like to thank our principal, Professor Swati Pal, for being the catalyst that inspired us to do our best. I would extend my gratitude to both the judges, Dr. Garima Arya ji and Ms. Priya Srinivasan ji, for accepting our invitation and judging the event fairly. I offer my sincere thanks to all the participants. Without them, this would not have been a successful event.
Also, we want to thank our staff advisors, Dr. Soumya Gupta, Ms. Tarini Pandey, and Ms. Tanu, as well as our Students' Union for helping us to conduct this program smoothly. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank our teacher conveners, Nirmala ma'am, Charu ma'am, and Ankan sir, for their untiring efforts. And last but not the least, our entire team for their constant hard work and dedication. I once again congratulate all the winners as well as the participants, and thank you all for being here.
Thank you so much, everybody. I'd like to add to all the congratulations to all the winners, and a huge round of applause, I think, for all the participants for taking the trouble to perform, to make the video, to send it. Thank you so much, both Priya and Garima, for your invaluable expertise. And I loved the way you have interacted with all the participants and the winners. And the teacher conveners, Nimi, Charu and Ankan, and the entire team of Nupur that has, organized this. This is one of the best ceremonies that I have attended, because I really like the idea of a feedback being given to the students, because the idea is not just to enter into a competition, but also to learn from it. And I think the way that you all have organized this event today, I'm so happy that I was able to complete my meeting and join this and be a part of it. I've learned a lot, and it was such a mesmerizing thing to watch the performances, the 4 performances. So thank you very much.
Thank you, Professor Pal, for your kind words. And thank you, judges. And most of it was spontaneous, I think. And it was so interactive. And that's what I think took it to greater heights. Thank you, participants. Thank you, winners, and everyone who's joined us this afternoon and made it so special for all of us. Thank you.
Okay, bye, everybody.
Bye-bye. Take care.
Do you want to take a photograph? Do you want to take a photograph?
Yes, a group photograph.
Please, I would request everyone to please turn on their videos so that we can take a quick screenshot. 1, 2, 3, pose. Thank you. Thank you.
Done?
Yes, I'm done.
Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye. Stay safe.
A good
I'd like
weekend.
to add something. All the winners will get a mail from us regarding the e-certificate and cash prize. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone. Stay safe, all of you. Bye-bye. Thank you.